So the Vinci Eye app is pretty cool viral app these days. It's available on iOS, on Android, and also Vision OS. It's a new platform by Apple, and it's just featured in many apps. Here you can see FAQs, getting started, so how it works, and then yeah, you can just start it out. You can draw in AR mode. You can just use it to draw with you're just drawing on your paper, or you have an image, and then you can just continue to draw on your phone, or yeah, just continue to draw on your paper. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then this is just like a mural maker app where you can just see project kind of your image in AR and continue drawing like that. So that's kind of it works as a DaVinci Eye. And then for Apple Vision Pro, you can just have that, and then you can just basically position your desired image on the Canva, and then just try to draw it, like as you can see here. It's pretty cool. So yeah, yeah, it's pretty interesting app. As you can see, as if you want to download it on iOS, you can just see it here. That's like a AR art projector, DaVinci Eye, and then yeah, it's quite high in the charts these days. And then yep, so then you can just open it up. You need to give camera access, you need to give photo access, and then just tap continue. And then yeah, if you want to draw something, then you can just see here and try to draw something. So for example, if you just have some image like of the and then for example, yeah, you will see DaVinci Eye Pro features, draw your own photos, break down any photo into step-by-step pencils, record time-lapse videos, realistic drawings with strobe feature, amazingly fast customer support. So then you can just tap draw, press here, and then yeah, from here you can just tap continue, see your project, see your profile, see your feed. And then if you just tap draw, you can just use free photos. So for example, if you want to draw this panda, then you can just tap draw this in top right. And then here you have AR mode or classic mode. So with AR mode, you need to have some advanced setup. Use augmented reality to anchor your reference image size and position to object in the real world. With classic mode, it's a more easier way to start, where you just put your image to the and then you can just start drawing. So as you can see, you can just put your phone on the glass, you can put it on some holder, and then it can really help you out with drawing. As you can see here, it's pretty cool. You can really try to draw it like that. And then here, for example, you can see the table and my hand, and then you can just zoom it in, zoom it out. Like you can have some additional tools like strobe, camera, grid. You can enable grid here. So yep, so that's just like the idea, which you can see here. And then you can have opacity. So yeah, pretty cool. If you like drawings, this is very interesting app which you can try out.